Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm gonna review how to get started on Venmo account setup. Okay, first of all you have to do is download the Venmo app. Once you've downloaded the app, you can simply open the app. When the app is opened, you will see this interface of the sign up, whether you want your personal account or a business account. Then you can select personal and click on sign up, and then all you have to do is type in your phone number here and click on send code, and then Venmo will send you an OTP code on your phone, which you have to type the code, 4-digit code here, and then tap on submit code. And then Venmo will ask you some personal details like your first name, your legal last name, your username, email, and password, and then click on next. On this step, all you have to do is agree with the user agreement and privacy policy of Venmo, and then you can sync your phone contacts or you sync from your Facebook contacts, or you can also skip this step. And this is the default settings of Venmo. Every user that signed up with Venmo, their profile is already set to public, and now my Venmo account has successfully been created. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.